Water restoration is a technical and very involved process. If done improperly, it can lead to future damage. Let's go through the steps needed to remediate your property. Inspection and assessment. Our technicians arrive on the scene, determine the scope of the damage, and ask the property owner to sign a work authorization form before any work begins. Emergency water extraction. We will then begin extracting the water and contain the affected area with powerful commercial-grade pumps and vacuum units to prevent any further damage. Removal of unsalvageable materials. Removal of any non-salvageable damaged materials begins. This may include carpet and carpet pad if technicians believe it cannot be saved. Items are photo-cataloged and a detailed record is kept for insurance purposes. Drying and dehumidifying. We use powerful industrial air movers and dehumidifiers to remove moisture and generate airflow to dry damaged areas. The equipment is set up in a special way to facilitate effective and efficient drying. This process requires monitoring, so we will visit the property several times to check on the progress or adjust equipment accordingly. Cleaning, sanitizing, and deodorizing. We use specialized techniques to clean restorable items as well as water-damaged structures. We then sanitize and deodorize using antimicrobials and deodorizers. Restoration and reconstruction. This means getting your property back to the condition it was in prior to the water damage. Depending on the damage and type of water that affected your property, it may need minor repairs, such as replacing drywall and installing new carpet, or major repairs, such as reconstructing several areas or rooms. Communication with your insurance company. During the event, we keep a detailed record of your property damage and maintain ongoing communication with your insurance company to get them all the information they need to process your claim. We are the paramedics of property damage, and we will be there to guide you from the moment you call us until the moment your property is fully restored.